Check it. Check it. Listen, let's say I got bars, yeah, I got plenty. I'm talking about my rhymes, I ain't talking about zanies. Get your mind out the gutter, get your mind out the world. Been Bessie with the pen since a 9-year-old girl. Write my own lyrics, write my own flows. I ain't trying to be Nicki, it's shit wingo. They say how she go so cold and she don't even curse. Because we need change like the coins in your purse. Talent at birth, spit so raw, punchline so cold that they don't even thaw. Oh nah. This ain't no Snoop and Dre. I'ma step up your IQ cause you gon' learn today. Cause how I rock, God always on top. And I'ma represent till my heart stop. I get full off his words till my belly pop. They say back away from the table, say you need to stop. I call them haters or the enemy. And I rebuke the devil in the name of Jesus. And God we trust, so I keep that tithe money, cause that's the must. And I keep the Lord with me till I'm ashes and dust. He got nothing but love for me, so it's never lust. That's why I rock with him, that's why I cut for him. He died for my sins and I didn't even know him. He died for my sins and I didn't even know him. Say we know. La 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 la. It's Shay Wingo reppin' the G Jesus. La 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 la. It's Shay Wingo reppin' the G Jesus. Hit that like button. Don't be a hater.